Certification of International Seed Testing. After Taiwan joined the World Trade Organization (WTO), the demand of agricultural import and export has increased. With cooperation of government and industry in recent years, our seed industry has successfully expanded export markets. However, exported products cannot be marketed until they are inspected as conformity by the import country. The procedure of testing and inspection usually requires considerable time, human labor, and costs, making it a form of non-tariff trade barrier. And the best solution to this problem is to establish laboratory certification system to build internationally admitted relationships. Exported products can be directly inspected by certified laboratories in the export country, and the testing report can be accredited by the import countries. Non-tariff trade barriers. This way we can not only reduce the influence of international non-tariff barriers, but also prevent products from repeat inspection. Product cost was decreased, and international trade was increasingly convenient. Therefore, whether there are internationally accredited laboratories from the third party is extremely important. To satiate the needs for healthy seeds of high quality, International Seed Testing Association (ISTA), according to International Standardization of Quality Assurance (ISO IEC 17025), develops international rules for seed testing, including seed testing techniques and standards that are consistent worldwide. The rules of seed testing serve as the foundation for international trade of seeds among countries. Quality control is a vital part during the process of seed reproducing. To assure the quality of seed reproduction and commercial seeds, the government established Seed Testing Laboratory in 1959 at the Taichung District Agricultural Research and Extension Station then. Seed Testing Laboratory is responsible for seed inspection of seed multiplication program, joining International Seed Testing Association (ISTA) in 1962. It is one of the few international associations that we joined as a country member. Due to the organizational re-engineering of Executive Yuan at June 2012, Seed Testing Laboratory was officially transferred to Taiwan Seed Improvement and Propagation Station, Council of Agriculture, Executive Yuan, to assist domestic seed industry to expand export markets. In 2001, Seed Testing Laboratory attended and passed for the first time the certification of laboratory quality by ISTA, given the laboratory number TW01 and the authority to issue international seed testing certificates to foster mutual trust by adopting standardized quality consistent among nations. To ensure the professional inspection and certification of laboratory members, ISTA checks the techniques and systems of laboratories that are willing to join in. Accredited laboratories are authorized to issue international seed testing certificates for 3 years. And the laboratories are obliged to spot check triennially by ISTA. Therefore, to prepare for the spot checks, all the inspection personnel in seed testing laboratory has to undertake professional trainings and regular checks. The main purpose of seed testing is to examine the value of seeds in agriculture and assist farmers to acquire seeds of high quality, suggesting guidelines for them to follow when purchasing seeds, or providing certification of quality when trading seeds. Currently, Seed Testing Laboratory is authorized by ISTA to accredit certificates, including moisture content, purity, and germination. All the inspections are performed according to the international rules for seed testing. The entire inspection process includes sample. Professional personnel is assigned for field sampling after Seed Testing Laboratory receive the application. The samples refer strictly to the whole seed lot. The sampling personnel randomly collects equal amount of primary sample from different spots of the containers, according to the sampling intensity regulated by ISTA rules. To obtain composite sample, Then submitted sample is acquired through reduction of spoon method or soil divider. Sample for determination of moisture content must be stored in air-free sealed bags. Applicants can also deliver the sample to seed testing laboratory by themselves, while the sample can only represent seeds in the specific bag. Sample registration and numbering. When seed testing laboratory receives the sample, the content of application is registered. There is one seed testing record card for each sample. The information of producer not shown, record cards are only numbered. Sampling. After submitted sample is mixed and divided by soil divider, representative subsamples at sufficient weight is obtained as the sample for inspection. Determination of moisture content. Determination of moisture content. The loss in weight when sample is dried, and the moisture content is expressed as the percentage of the weight of the original sample. The purity analysis. Identification of various species of seeds and the percentage of pure seeds, other seeds, and inert matter in the testing sample to estimate the composition of seeds. The germination test. 400 seeds are randomly selected from the pure seeds. The germination test is performed with growing temperature and media according to ISTA rules. To evaluate the amount of normal seedlings, abnormal seedlings, hard seeds, fresh seeds, and dead seeds. The percentage of germination is calculated. International seed testing certificates. After testing, the data mentioned was examined and verified. International seed testing certificate can be issued. The prospect of seed testing laboratory is to persist in implementing seed testing and aim at enlarging fields of seed health test by passing seed health test certification to ensure the quality of seeds. The risk of agricultural production can be reduced through international certification. We manage and control to minimize the chance of mistakes when inspection, increasing the international competitiveness of seeds that are potential of exporting. The goal is to establish trade relations of mutual trust through consistent quality standard among nations. Produced by Taiwan Seed Improvement and Propagation Station, Council of Agriculture, Executive Yuan.